lot of space.
Oh yeah.
That's a lot of space.
So now, if I remember correctly, you have to pop this to get to the engine compartment. Yeah, see there's your coolant fluid, there's your oil, and then we have to pop all this off to get to your actual engine. I think, to be honest, I don't remember how they did it before. That's something I'm gonna have to go ask on.
All right.
Or at least YouTube it and look it up.
Yeah, I definitely will.
I haven't actually ever been in this car. That's just the storage compartment. Yeah, that pops off somehow. We'll look at it when we get back.
Yeah. Put my bag in there.
It's not complicated, I just don't remember the trick. There's one piece that comes out first and then the rest of it all pops out.
Yeah, it's all good.
So. You ever driven a little sports car like this? Like you said you hadn't had any Porsches before.
I've drove like Beamers.
Okay. Similar.
Yeah, my last car was a Beamer. I'm looking at one right now. I'm looking at a M3 or this.
I don't know much about BMWs. I definitely like the Porsche better than BMWs, but that's me personally.
Yeah. All right.
You want to go?
Yep.
We can't be YouTubing the whole time though.
I can't record it?
Can record it, but you got to be hands free. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I don't mind you set it on the dash, but I need you to.
Whoa.
Or here, I can hold it.
Yeah, I was about to ask you if you could.
Yeah, of course. Test drive. Let's see if we can get it up higher. Oh yeah, seatbelts. All right, real quick before you do anything, just check your mirrors. Make sure you got good vision on both sides, please. Check your up here. Make sure you got good vision. And then you're switching it into sport mode already, but this is actually going to control your height for the back for the spoiler. See your spoiler pop up?
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. You got a traction control, and then here's your shifter. You can shift it drive, but you also have the manual and the Tiptronic. So just watch out if you have it in automatic, because sometimes people grab these. So just be careful of that, okay? Go for it. Press in all the way to drive,
Okay.
and then we're just gonna take a right out.
Where's the drive now?
The gas?
Yeah, is it up here? Okay.
It's a little bit smaller than other pedals.
Yeah, I was about to say, I don't even see it.
Well, you also got those, what are those, the Yeezys?
Yeah.
Yeah, the space shoes.
Most comfortable shoes I ever bought.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what everybody says.
I bought one, I bought 3 more after.
Holy shit. Weren't those like the $1,000 pair of shoes or something?
About 400.
Oh, okay. That isn't as bad as I thought.
I like how this sounds.
Huh?
I said, I like how this sounds.
Well, it's super quiet on the inside, even when you're ripping it. For the engine being actually in the compartment with you, it's not very loud.
So am I making a right here?
Yeah, you can take it right here. That's fine.
Okay.
How much gas we got?
I don't even
98 miles, so up here on the top.
Okay, I see it.
So we're sitting on like a quarter of a tank. We can't quite make it to the Keys, maybe North Miami.
Call off work, take the Porsche to Miami.
I got GPS, I can get back. Every now and again, I always want to take the Chargers. Careful on this curb though, you get kind of close. This thing turns on a dime.
Does it?
Oh yeah, it turns very good. So if you want to pull a side street and do some U-turns, just to feel how it turns, we can do that.
Okay.
I know you don't get much of a chance on the main road to do U-turns, but this thing will turn in, you know.
Yeah, I'm already know.
Yeah, we got sport and we got this turned off. So this is the controls. What it'll do is if I press this, oh, it won't even let me change it right now because you're in sport mode. I'd have to take you out of sport mode. But this is the gas saving mode. Basically, it shut off the engine when you're braked at lights, save you fuel.
My BMW did that. I hated that.
Yeah, that's what this A button is. If you ever see it on any other vehicles, that's what that represents, is the auto start and stop.
Because I did not know how to turn it off on my BMW.
Most of the time it's on the computer system, but now they're starting to put these buttons on all the vehicles.
It's definitely a fun car.
You ever driven stick?
I don't know how to drive stick. I never learned.
Okay.
I know how to use the shift paddles, but I don't know how to actually drive stick.
Take it right here. Well, the paddle, same thing. Same thing as stick. I mean, yeah, you don't have the clutch to do it physically, but you're going to get better performance out of it.
I don't even know how to use a clutch.
Ouch.
So, like, when did you learn how to drive stick?
Me?
Yeah.
Like 20 years ago. Oh, excuse me. Like 20 years ago I learned it. Ah. Woo. God damn. Yeah, if you had open road somewhere, you could definitely rip it up.
That's what I'm saying.
So take it right up here into this neighborhood or this street.
Where?
Yeah, just any of these rights up here. I just want you to feel like the U-turns. You can pull in this actually parking lot right here, as long as you don't run over those people.
Try not to.
Yeah, so just do some performance, turns, small turns, just try it out and see, close quarters turning. You don't get much of a chance on the main road, but...
Like a low burnout.
No. You're gonna hit that.
Yeah, I'm not even risking.
I was just talking just to try it out, not to
Yeah.
rip it. Forward, up to.
Oh yeah, I'm tripping.
Yeah, it's not quite the parking lot for burnouts. We need something a little bit bigger, bud. So, but you can show you, I mean, if you just turn, like try to do a full turn, I think you could probably do it in this little section right here, no problem.
It's like a fast go-kart.
I mean, just trying to show you that turn base, see how tight you can get it.
Yeah.
Look at that, you cleared it.
If this was my Durango, I'd have to back up like 3 times.
Exactly, you're going from a much larger vehicle, and these are all for performance. This is a fun car. It could definitely be a lot of fun for you, and it show off. You get some nice tinted windows on here, and I mean, personally, I'm not a white guy. I would wrap it, but each his own.
What color would you make it?
What color?
Yeah.
Honestly, I like the neons. I like bright colors. I like yellows. I like the greens. I like the purples. Like the bright colors, though.
I like bright colors too, but I never had a bright car.
Yeah, the whites I always feel get dirty pretty easy, but the dark cars are way too common anymore. Everybody's got a black, a silver, or a gray, or a white. Those are like the only 4 colors you see on the road nowadays. It's very rare somebody has a blue car, somebody has a red car. Like those ones pop. You see that person in, you're like, oh, that's Trevor. Oh, that's Kevin right there. You know who the people are.
I get you. Be more seen.
Yeah, take it right at this light. I just like to stand out.
So what car do you got?
Right now, I got a Durango SXT.
Gas not good?
Huh?
Is the gas not good?
Yeah, it's V6.
Okay.
I'm not a huge fan of it personally. Yeah, see how tight that turns? You knew, you felt it. You're like, shit, I'm going for that curb. I got 2 dogs that I carry around with me though, so I don't need a truck. So I had to get an SUV because their German Shepherds are fucking big.
That's a big dog.
Yeah, male's 105 pounds. He'll rip your arm off, but at the same time, he needs all the space in the world to move around. So I got both. I got the 3rd row and the 2nd row of seating laid down, and that's all dog space. I've never even had anybody in my car besides the dogs and my girlfriend.
Nice car.
I like it. I don't have nothing special. Like I said, SXT. It's nothing crazy.
Get the job done.
Yeah, taking the dogs to the park and stuff. I'm comfy. I'm happy. I'm bigger than most people on the road. It's not like if you're in one of these little 4Runners or like a Tiguan or a Chevy, like you feel so much smaller. At least in the Durango,
I feel safe.
I'm bigger. I'm not worried about somebody not seeing me. They're gonna hit me. It's because they're dumb as a box of rocks and they're running into a brick wall. That Durango's going nowhere.
Yeah, it's safe.
All right, one last rip.